When the salt was discovered about 7,000 years ago, Hallstatt started to become an important place for salt trade. And today, Hallstatt is famous for the oldest salt mine worldwide, for the historic buildings near the lake Hallstätter See, for the untouched nature with the countless hiking trails and the clear water. For a fun day in Hallstatt, take a walk through the historic, charming little village of Hallstatt and also visit the salt mine. You can enjoy a UNESCO World Heritage view, the unique homes and fine food at the restaurant's patio. You will be looking at high mountains and the beautiful lake and maybe some swans passing by.